Hi friends, welcome to Nistela's Kitchen. Have you ever tried making Kaju Katli at home? It's an all-time favorite for many and a beloved treat for all ages. Making it at home is super easy and tastes just like the ones from the sweet shop. Now, let's start the process. Here, I'm taking 1 cup cashews, half cup sugar, 1 tablespoon milk powder. As a first step, grind the cashews to a fine powder in a mixer jar and keep it ready. That part of the video got missed by my end. Now take a thick bottom pan and add quarter cup of water and bring it to boil. Water quantity is half of the sugar that we took. Once the water is boiled, add the sugar and keep stirring it continuously until you get one string consistency. Just keep stirring it. Now, here I am checking if I got the one string consistency or not. I could see a perfect one string consistency. Now, into this, add the cashew powder and keep stirring continuously by adjusting the flame from low to medium. Now, into the same mixture, add the milk powder also and stir it. We are adding milk powder just for the sweet shop style texture. By adding the milk powder, we get that kind of texture. Now, we have to keep stirring this until it thickens and starts to leave the sides of the pan. And while you are stirring, add 1 spoon of ghee. By adding this ghee, we get good texture and also good flavor to our Kaju Katli. And also the stirring process becomes a little easier. And one important thing is, while preparing Kaju Katli, there should be absolutely no multitasking. Your focus must be totally on the dish. Now, once the dough leaves the sides of the pan, take a very small quantity of dough in your hands and make a small ball out of it. If you're able to make a small ball without it getting stuck into your hands, we are done. At this stage, turn off the stove and transfer the contents to a greased plate. Now, here starts the important task. After transferring the dough into the plate, we should keep mixing it continuously until it reaches a slightly warm temperature that allows us to touch it with our hands. If you leave it just like that without mixing, it becomes harder from outside and softer inside. That is not the way we want our dough to be. See, we have to mix it gently. Now it is perfectly warm enough for me to touch it with my hands. Now I'm again gently mixing it with hands and I took another plate and kept it upside down and I transferred the dough to that plate. Now take a rolling pin and grease the rolling pin nicely with ghee. See, just like how I'm showing in the video. Now we have to roll out this mixture evenly to a thickness of 1 inch. Be soft and gentle while you're rolling this. Now adjust the corners with hands or knife like how I am showing in the video. See, we are just having the right thickness and also making it comfortable for us to cut it into the shape of diamonds. That's it. Now let's start cutting it into pieces. If you're comfortable, you can cut it directly with a knife or you can use a pizza cutter. That's it. We are done. Our homemade delicious Kaju Katli is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do share it with your friends and family members. And don't forget to leave a comment letting us know how it turned out to be. Thanks for watching Nestila's Kitchen.